Welcome to day 2 of hiking the length of Frodo and Sam's journey to Mount Doom. I don't know where I am. Okay, you can't tell me this doesn't look straight out of Lord of the Rings right here. Get the mountains, this tree, the grass looking like that. Like that's makes you wanna go on a journey, on a quest. Okay, I'm coming back for you now. Alright, and that's the end of day 2 for the hike to Mount Doom. I don't know if you can tell from my face, but that hike kicked my butt. It was about twice as long as I thought it was going to be. Right as I got near the end of what I thought was the end, I thought it would loop. Turns out, no, it's just an empty highway with not my car there. My car not there. So, you know, that was awesome. Also forgot sunscreen. So probably gonna get pretty sunburned. But hey, we got over 4 miles in and some incredible views. So I'm thankful for what I accomplished and I'm excited for day 3. I'll see you guys later.